Let's go over Forbes' list of the 10 wealthiest people on Earth for March 2026. Following a turbulent January, last month saw almost no movement among the global top 10. Just two individuals traded positions. Warren Buffett climbed to number 9, while Amancio Ortega, the co-founder of Zara, dropped to 10th place. Only 4 out of those 10 managed to grow their wealth in February, and both Buffett and Ortega were among them. The biggest winner by a huge margin was Elon Musk, who boosted his fortune by $64 billion over the last month, and over $100 billion since the year began. Musk also hit another wealth milestone. Back in October, he became the first person ever to reach $500 billion. Then in December, he crossed both $600 billion and $700 billion. Come February, his net worth surpassed $800 billion for the first time. As of midnight Eastern on March 1st, he was estimated to be worth $839 billion. Musk stretched his lead over the runner-up, Google co-founder Larry Page, to more than $500 billion. Page, meanwhile, lost $20 billion and now sits at an estimated $257 billion. This top 10 list is accurate as of March 1, 2026, at 12 a.m. Eastern. Combined, these 10 individuals hold $2.6 trillion, about the same as the previous month, with Musk accounting for nearly 1/3 of that total. A quick reminder, stock prices shift daily, so these net worths can change at any time. Forbes tracks those daily updates on its real-time billionaire list. The publication has been monitoring billionaires since 1987. In April 2025, its annual list found 3,028 such individuals. Many people are now counting down the weeks, or days, until Musk becomes the first trillionaire in history. Although markets are unpredictable, one major event likely to affect his wealth is SpaceX's expected IPO later this year. For the 4th straight month, Larry Page remained the world's second richest person. He was one of 5 American tech billionaires in the top 10 who each lost $20 billion or more in February, as shares of Alphabet, Amazon, Meta, and Oracle all dipped. At number 4, Jeff Bezos was the month's biggest loser. Amazon shares fell 12%, reducing his net worth by $26 billion to roughly $224 billion. Just ahead of Bezos is number 3, Sergey Brin, another Google co-founder, who also saw his fortune drop, though by only $18 billion, leaving him at an estimated $237 billion. Number 5 is Mark Zuckerberg, co-founder and CEO of Meta, parent of Facebook and Instagram. His net worth fell $23 billion since last month, landing at $222 billion. In 6th place, Oracle co-founder Larry Ellison. His fortune decreased by $21 billion from last month to around $191 billion. Back in August, Ellison and his son David helped pull off the merger between Paramount and David's Skydance Media. Now the father-son duo is making an even bigger bet. Warner Bros. Discovery recently accepted Paramount's $111 billion offer to buy the media giant. If regulators approve the deal, it would become one of the largest mergers in history and give the Ellisons unprecedented control over American media, CBS and CNN under one roof, HBO Max and Paramount Plus combined, and Warner Bros. Alongside Paramount Pictures sharing a parent. That's all on top of the tech and real estate empire the elder Ellison already runs. 7th is Bernard Arnault, the French chairman and CEO of luxury goods group LVMH. His fortune rose $2 billion since last month to $171 billion. 8th is Jensen Huang, co-founder and CEO of NVIDIA, whose net worth dropped $12 billion from last month to $154 billion. As mentioned, the only two who swapped spots this month are now number 9, Warren Buffett, who added $7 billion for a total of $149 billion, and number 10, Zara co-founder Amancio Ortega, who gained $3 billion, giving the Spaniard $148 billion. As of March 1st, all 10 of the richest people are men, and each is worth at least $148 billion, up from $142 billion last month. Thanks for watching.